My dear, have you ever thought about using cloves on your skin? So today, I'm going to reveal a beauty secret from my grandmother to make your skin as firm, smooth, and glowing as a baby's. Notice how refreshed your skin is from the very first use. Even if you are 70 years old, it will restore radiance to your skin, remove wrinkles, and fight fine lines. My friends, before we begin, I would like you to write in the comments which country you are watching my videos from. Okay, let's start with the first step. We need cloves. Put a tablespoon of cloves into a pot and pour in 200 ml of water. Then place the pot on very low heat for 8 minutes until the water begins to boil. And here's a note, my dear. You must cover the pot because cloves are herbs rich in volatile oils that are very beneficial for skin health, and we need them. By covering the pot, we will preserve them. Imagine a tiny army of molecules fighting the effects of time. That's exactly what clove does. Its antioxidants act like a shield, protecting your skin from wrinkles caused by fatigue, stress, and sun exposure. An immediate tightening and refreshing sensation. When the oil or infusion touches your skin, it feels like it's waking up. Pores shrink, skin is revitalized, and it's as if your complexion is taking a new breath, appearing firmer and more vibrant. Okay, after the water boils, turn off the heat and let it steep for half an hour, then get rid of the cloves, and thus we get a more concentrated solution, each drop of which carries a package of antioxidants that will refresh your skin cells. Now we begin with the first recipe, which is a clove extract serum. In a bowl, place approximately 2 tablespoons of clove infusion. Then we need aloe vera gel. You can use synthetic gel, but natural aloe vera remains the safest option for your skin. Aloe vera is a source of beauty and an enemy of wrinkles. Every drop within this plant is like a pulse of life. Aloe vera gel is not just a moisturizer, but a silent physician. It cools inflammation like water on a hot coal. It soothes redness as if wiping away anger from your skin. It speeds the healing of minor wounds as if stitching them with a thread of light. It restores the skin's smooth surface and combats signs of fatigue and tiredness, as if erasing a whole day of stress. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera and mix well until the mixture is homogeneous. By the way, my friends, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your kind comments and wonderful interaction. I also welcome new viewers. I hope you will join my channel and don't forget to activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Now, we will enhance the effectiveness of this serum with the miracle oil, sweet almond oil. Add a teaspoon, then whisk well until the serum components are combined. Now, we need a sterilized glass container to store it. Now, let's learn how to use it. First, apply this serum to clean, dry skin. Gently massage it into your skin for 5 minutes using a counterclockwise motion, especially around the mouth, forehead, and areas with fine lines. Then, leave it on your skin until it is almost completely absorbed, which should take about 40 minutes. It is best used in the morning. Use it daily, and I promise you'll notice a wonderful glow in your skin from the first week. You can keep it for a week in a cool place. and it is suitable for all skin types. Now, my dear, follow along with me on how to prepare clove cream. Empty the remaining clove infusion into a saucepan, then add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir well until the cornstarch granules are completely dissolved. Place the pot over very low heat, stirring continuously to prevent the starch from clumping. With a little patience, you'll achieve the thick, creamy consistency you see before you. Now pour it into a container while it's still hot. Then add half a teaspoon of coconut oil and mix well until it melts and blends into the cream. Coconut oil is friendly to all skin types, providing highly efficient hydration and increasing skin smoothness. Its effect goes far beyond mere moisturizing. It penetrates even the driest layers of the skin, giving it high elasticity to combat wrinkles. And because we're looking for everything that fights wrinkles, we'll add frankincense oil. This oil, my dear, should always be on your shopping list. It's an oil that tightens the skin miraculously. Add just half a teaspoon. These drops are like the first raindrops on parched, dry land. Your skin will be refreshed with every drop of this oil because frankincense is one of the oldest things women have used to maintain youthful skin. Finally, we need vitamin E, whose primary benefit is moisturizing and nourishing the skin, and it also acts as a preservative for this cream. Thus, we obtained a natural cream rich in everything the skin needs to restore collagen production. The base of this cream is clove extract, which means it stimulates blood circulation and consequently the building of healthy new skin cells. Empty the cream into a sterilized glass jar and store it for a week in the refrigerator door. Apply the cream to clean skin, spreading it over your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for half an hour, then rinse your skin first with lukewarm water, followed by cold water to close the pores. Finally, moisturize your skin. You can use the cream daily at night. This cream offers new hope for your skin. It tightens the skin, minimizes pores, makes the skin more radiant, and helps fight oily acne as it is rich in antioxidants that cleanse skin cells of microbes and excess oil. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my recipes. Thank you and see you in another video.